In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a finance tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system to record income and expenses, see totals at a glance, and understand where your money is going. First, create a new table database in your Notion workspace. You can make it a full-page database, so it's easy to find and update, and give it a clear name like Finance Tracker. A fresh table keeps everything structured and searchable, and it's much easier to maintain consistency when your entries live in one dedicated place. Next, set up your columns. Keep transaction name as the title column for what you paid for or earned. Create an amount column and change its property to number. Set the format to your currency so figures are clear. Add a category column and set it to select for simple, consistent tagging. Finally, add a date column using the date property to timestamp each transaction and enable sorting or monthly reviews later. Now, begin creating entries for income and expense transactions. For each row, type a descriptive transaction name, enter the amount, pick a category, and choose the date. A helpful convention is to make income amounts positive and expense amounts negative. That way, your numbers reflect reality without extra effort. Be consistent with naming to avoid duplicates and make searching easier. Use number properties to track totals and balances. Notion tables show a summary at the bottom of the amount column. Set it to sum to see your total instantly. If you've entered expenses as negative numbers, that sum acts as a running balance across the entire table or within any filtered view you use. You can also switch the summary to average when you want a quick sense of typical transaction size. Add tags for categories such as food, bills, savings, or business. Keep the list focused and consistent. Fewer, clearer categories make trends obvious. You can color code tags for quick scanning, and if a new category becomes necessary, add it deliberately so your set stays tidy. Finally, review the database regularly to monitor spending and financial trends. Sort by date to see recent activity, or filter by month to compare periods. Scan category tags to spot patterns, rising food costs, or steady savings contributions. And watch the amount summary for your overall balance. A short weekly or monthly check-in keeps your tracker accurate and your decisions informed. Save the page, keep entering transactions promptly, and your Notion finance tracker will become a powerful, stress-reducing habit.